What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I Don't Want to Hurt You Anymore by Kaxi, Teqkoi, and Enluv. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I will hurt you a lot with something blunt, a blunt object. I'll hurt you with it. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. The song is in standard tuning, and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, so jump into the description once you get done if you need the guitar tab. So starting with your middle finger on the 7th fret on the A string, and your pinky and your ring finger on the 7th fret of the B string. You're alternating picking between A and your open G. And it's A, G, A, B, and then G, A, G. So A, G, A, B, G, A, G. And that's gonna stay the same throughout all these chords. The only thing that's changing is your A will be we'll switch to your low E later on for the different chords, but this is, you do that same picking pattern, the A, G, A, B, G, A, G. You do that twice, and you're gonna do that for these first 3 chords. Slide it down to the 3rd fret on the A and the 3rd fret on the B. Again, that's the same exact picking pattern. Put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A and leave that ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B. Same picking pattern. And then here's where it's switching to your low E. You're gonna put your index finger on the low E on the 2nd fret, and you're playing it half as many times, or just once. And then 3rd fret for 1 time. So that's 1, that's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And again, that just repeats throughout the entire song. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.